Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you know how awesome the perks are, like travel rewards, bonus points, and exclusive access. But did you know you can share some of those benefits with a trusted family member or friend by adding them as an authorized user? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quicker than you think and can make managing your finances even easier. First things first, make sure you have your Chase online account set up and your login details handy. If you don't have an account, head to the Chase website and create one. It's free and straightforward. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section. Look for your Chase Sapphire card. It should be listed there. Next, find the option that says something like Manage Card or Account Services. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. In the card management area, search for Add Authorized User or a similar button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of the person you want to add. You'll need their full name, date of birth, social security number, and possibly their address for verification purposes. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Step 3. After entering the information, review the terms and conditions. Chase might ask you to confirm that you're authorizing this person to use the card, so read through it carefully. Once you're good, hit Submit. You might get an instant confirmation, or it could take a day or two for approval, depending on Chase's verification process. One quick tip. Adding an authorized user can help build their credit if they're responsible, but remember, you're still on the hook for any charges. Always choose wisely, and if you run into any issues, Chase has great customer support. Give them a call. There you have it. You've just learned how to add an authorized user to your Chase Sapphire card. It's that simple, and now you can start enjoying the perks together. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.